Another feature that I'd like to demonstrate for you is how we can actually take our production orders and reschedule our start dates based upon a production schedule that we have, where you can actually just drag and drop these jobs around. So the first two jobs that we have here are 40498 and 459, and these are scheduled to start on the 3rd and 4th of February. You can clearly see their start dates here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to move these with using a drag and drop feature to different start dates. So what I'm going to do is simply close this up, and I'm going to go down to the dashboard area here. And we have this production order scheduler. We're looking at February the 3rd. And if I click on this, here are the two orders that we were talking about, 40498 and 40459. These are the two orders that we saw, and we're going to drag and drop these into a different position on the calendar, and it will go back and actually change the start dates on those production orders. So if I'm operating in a larger company that has multiple locations, you can see that each one of these has in parentheses blue, and that's because I'm looking at the location code for blue. If I go in here and look, for example, for green, you'll see that I have different orders that show up, and these are just showing me the orders that I have in my green location. So I can filter my production orders by location code, which is extremely important in larger companies. So to demonstrate how this feature works, what I'm going to do is just click on this order, and I'm going to drag it down to the 10th and drop it. And I'm going to take this order and I'm going to drag it to the 11th and drop it. And now what this has actually done is this has changed the start date on our actual production orders. So I've closed up the production order scheduler, and I'm going back to the production order maintenance here. And as you can see, these first two orders were the first two that I was working with, and this has rescheduled the start date to the 10th and the 11th. So what this scheduler does is that it gives me a nice graphical view of when all of my orders should begin, what their start dates are, and then allows me to manipulate them and move them around and adjust my schedule. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to click below and subscribe for more.